Today, I'm going to show you how to set up remote access in Chrome using Chrome Remote Desktop step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to access your own computer from another device, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. It's simple, free to use, and once it's set up, you can connect back to your PC whenever you need it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Chrome on the computer you want to access remotely. Once Chrome is open, go to remotedesktop.google.com/access. This will take you to the Chrome Remote Desktop page where you can begin the setup process. On this screen, click Remote Access. This is the section that allows you to make your computer available for future connections. Next, click Turn On. Chrome will now begin the setup process for remote access. If this is your first time using it, you may be asked to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the account that you want associated with this computer, because this is what you'll use later to connect from another device. After that, you'll be asked to enter a computer name. Choose a name that is easy to recognize, especially if you have more than one device. For example, you could name it something like Office PC, Home Desktop, or Work Laptop. This makes it much easier to identify the right computer later when you want to connect remotely. Once you've entered the computer name, it's time to set a PIN. This PIN is very important because it helps secure your remote connection. Enter a PIN with at least 6 digits and make sure it's something you'll remember but isn't too easy for someone else to guess. You may also be asked to confirm the PIN by typing it again. After that, click Start to finish the setup. Chrome will save your remote access settings, and your computer will now be ready to accept secure remote connections. At this point, your PC is officially set up for remote access in Chrome. That means you can use another computer, laptop, or even a mobile device to connect to it later, as long as you sign in with the same Google account and enter your PIN when prompted. If you ever want to use it again, you simply go back to Chrome Remote Desktop, choose the computer you want to access, and enter your PIN. It's a very convenient solution for working remotely, helping family members, or reaching files and apps on your main computer when you're away. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to remotedesktop.google.com/access, click Remote Access, click Turn On, enter a computer name, set a 6-digit or longer PIN, and click Start. That's it, your PC is now ready for remote access. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one.